How to apply for Walmart jobs online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Walmart Careers and then search for it. Click on the very first one website option, careers.walmart.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, scrolling down, you're gonna find different section over here: stores and clubs, corporate, and healthcare. Now go ahead and select the field for which you want to apply for the job. So I'm gonna select Sam's Club jobs. Now scroll down. You're gonna find different job positions: customer service associate, maintenance associate, fresh food associate, and many more. Head towards the position for which you wanna apply, click on it. Under that as well, you're gonna find different categories. Select the category for which you wanna apply, click on it. Now you'll get the option of apply. Click on it. Now you have to provide your Walmart account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to provide more details for the job application, work shift, like with specific hours, and all the details of yours, experience, phone number, email address, and once you provide all that, you can submit it. So this way you can easily apply for Walmart jobs online. By following same steps, you can apply for any job. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.